In this video, we're going to be taking a look at activity 211, tolerate this, and number 23 has us creating a drawing of the whole block that we modeled in activity 136. So one of the first things I would like to do is in my practice folder here, I'm going to create a new folder called activity 211, tolerate this. And I do need to find my whole block model. So I'm actually going to open up activity 136, the whole block model. I'm going to right click on it and choose to copy. Now when I go to copy in my practice folder, I'm actually going to click on IED practice B1 here, and I'm going to scroll down till I find activity 211 folder and select it and say to copy it. So it's going to make a copy of this model. So when I go back to the practice folder here, I'm going to go through and see tolerate this. I've now got a whole block model in there. So it's really easy to go through and to make copies of it. Let's go ahead and open this up. And from here, now that I've got the model opened up, I'm going to go ahead and do a new design or new drawing from design, choosing my title block B. We're going to need that extra page space there. And I can go ahead and open this up and prepare to get some of the views set up for our drawing. Okay, from here, we are going to go through and set a base view. I'm going to try to do a 1:1 scale. And I'm going to go ahead and set my front view like so. I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And I'm going to go ahead and project. There's the top view. Here's the right side view. There's the isometric. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to scale down the isometric. We'll do to a 1/2, and we'll shade it. Now, if you remember from the previous activity, we are going to go through, I'm going to delete this top view, and I'm actually going to move this view up above here. I'm also going to delete the right side view, because actually we're going to be able to do a section view that's going to detail all that. Section view. Select the parent view. I don't want to click right on the edge. I want to just put my mouse there, move it out to the left to help me keep a dashed line there. Run the cutting plane line across all the way through. Click, hit the green check mark, and I'm going to set my section view down below here. And what I can do is I can go ahead and move there we go. I can move the section view up a little bit, make sure my section view label is up out of the title block there, and that's going to help prepare us to get some of the measurements and everything like that set up on there. And so the other things I want to do real quick, center marks, choosing the outsides of each one of the holes. And then I want to choose center line and zooming in here on the section view. I'm going to choose the edges here on these holes. So then that way I have nice center marks. I will need to extend those out, so up at the top, just by clicking on them and grabbing the gray arrow grips that come at the end. There are my center lines, and this will set me up for the next video, which is going to be placing the dimensions and adding the tolerances in that are going to be placed on those dimensions.